Good morning, everyone. I'm Professor Miyazaki. Welcome to Geology 101. The goal of this course is to give you an understanding of the main processes of geology, the processes that have created and changed our world over the last few billion years. You'll see that I'm holding a piece of rock in my hands. This rock has a very interesting story, and I like to start this series of lectures by telling you this rock's history because it allows me to introduce many of the key concepts for this course. Those of you at the back of the room might find it hard to see the rock, so let me put up a photo of it on the screen. Examine it closely, and you'll see that this rock looks like it's made from tiny grains of sand. In fact, this rock is called sandstone, and it's an example of what we call a sedimentary rock because it's made from sediments. That's a key term, so let me repeat it. Sedimentary. But this rock did not start out as sand, so let me tell you about its true origins. Millions of years ago, a volcano erupted somewhere in the world. At first, the lava from the volcano was so hot that it was liquid, and the lava flowed down the mountain. In time, the lava cooled enough to form a solid rock. Rocks that are formed by volcanoes are called igneous rocks. Again, that's igneous. The best-known igneous rocks are probably basalt and granite. But the rock I'm talking about was probably a type of igneous rock called rhyolite. Over time, and we're talking millions of years here, the sun shone, the wind blew, the rain and snow fell, and little by little, tiny pieces of the rhyolite would break off and get washed down the mountain into a river. Given enough time, you see, the weather can erode or gradually destroy any rock. We call this process erosion. Erosion, and it's a key concept. The river then washed the tiny grains of rhyolite down to the sea where they slowly, gradually sank to the sea floor. Over time, and we're talking thousands to tens of thousands of years here, more and more tiny pieces of rock built up to form layers of sediment. The layers at the top pushed down on the ones at the bottom of the sea floor. As more rock built up, pressure became greater, and it became hotter too. The heat and pressure caused the tiny pieces of rock to join together